We'll guide you through how to fix no SIM on an iPhone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be annoying because then you're unable to go and receive messages and calls, meaning you can go and miss important things, but it also means you can't go and call others and message others as well. So we're going to guide you through some different things you can try doing in order to go and resolve this problem. Make sure this full guide and try the different steps because hopefully we'll go and get this solved. So first of all, what we're going to try doing is opening up the control center by dragging down on the battery in the top right. You want to go to the top left and go and find the airplane icon. What we can try doing is turning on airplane mode by tapping there, leave it on for a few seconds, and then what you can do is go and turn it off. Sometimes doing this can go and refresh things. It's going to try and then check for the SIM. Hopefully that solves it. If it doesn't, don't worry. What you're going to try doing is then turning off the phone just by the side button, and you want to come onto the side. Remove the case if you've got one, and you want to go and locate the SIM card tray, as you can see. So we're going to go and open this up. To do this, what you need to do is go and get a paperclip. I actually have the SIM card tool, which came with the phone in the box, so you can always use that. Otherwise, a paperclip will do. Then you can go and push it in here, and you want to go and pop out the tray, and now we can slide it out. Slide it out like so, and then what you can do is just take it out, and you can go and put it back in as well. Simply doing that can sometimes go and fix the problem. Now you can go and unlock it, and hopefully now when we go and drag down, it then goes and starts working. If it does, then great. If it still doesn't, don't worry. Let's get into the next fix. What we can try doing is we can go and open up our settings like so. If you're still finding it's not working, don't worry. Let's get into the next fix. So go and open up your settings. In here, you then need to go and scroll down and you can go and find the option for general and you can go and tap there. And in general, you need to go and scroll down to the bottom. There you'll go and find the option transfer or reset iPhone. You want to go down and press reset. And then you'll go and find the option reset network settings. So you can go and tap there. Just note before you go and do this will go and disconnect you from all Wi-Fi networks and you'll forget them all, but it's worth doing it if you can go and solve the problem, as I know it has for others. So try doing that and go and see if the problem's now solved. If you're still getting the no SIM error, don't worry. The next we'll try doing is a forced restart. This will go and restart the iPhone and hopefully go and sort the problem out, as it can just be a software problem. So to do this, it's actually a button combination. You're going to go and press the volume increase, then decrease, and hold down the side power button. I'll do that live so you know what you need to do. Just go and press the volume increase, then decrease, and tap and hold the side power button. Now what you're going to do is go and keep that held down. Shortly the phone screen will go black, but you keep it held down and only go and release when you go and see the Apple icon. So it's now gone black, keep it held down, and there is the Apple icon. So we're going to go and release and now wait. It's going to go and start again. When it comes back on, unlock it, and you can then drag down to open the control center, and hopefully now you can see your network there. If it's still saying no SIM, for the next fix, what you're going to do is go and hold down the power button and the volume button together like so. And what you're going to do is go and completely go and power it off. We'll have to go and agree here. I'll press OK. Now go and wait for it to go and shut down. It shouldn't take long. In the meantime, you have to come onto the side and go and find the SIM tray again. And what you're going to try doing is you're going to try getting the paper clip again, or whatever your object you use to open the SIM card tray, push it in, and let's go and remove the SIM like so. Now what you want to try doing is just inspecting this here in case there's any dust or debris on the contact here, which could be causing the problem. And just go and inspect the port here and make sure it's clear as well. So I'd recommend just giving this a clean with a very soft brush or a very soft cloth as well, just to remove any debris, because that's likely the problem if it's still saying that. And then what you can do is go and put it back in after giving it a good clean, and you can go and tap and hold the side power button. Hopefully when the phone comes back on, the problem is now solved. If it still isn't, what you should try doing is contacting the carrier, because sometimes the SIM does need to go and be activated if it's the first time, so contact them and see if they can resolve it. Otherwise, try using another SIM card, as it could be a problem with the SIM card itself, and then hopefully it'll be working. Leave a like if you found this useful.